Hey, I'm back. I got a 2001 Chevy Express van with a 5.7 Vortex engine. Customers complaining of a no start situation. So let's determine the customer's complaint. No start. So next we're going to hook a scanner up to it. Okay, and see if we have any codes. Make a scanner. Go to the thing. Okay, let's see if we got us codes here. Okay. Codes. All powertrain codes. No codes. Okay. So my next step is to check and see if I have any crankshaft signal. And you can do that by going to data. Okay, engine data. Okay, where you see RPMs, when you crank the engine, if you see a RPM movement, you'll notice that you have a crankshaft, in which I have 184 RPM. So I'm getting a crank signal. I already checked the fuel supply and I'm getting 60 psi of fuel. So what I'm going to do next is pull the coil wire out and see if, and then take a test light and ground one in. And as you cranking it over, check and see if you have spark from the coil, which I don't have any spark. Okay, so what I previously done, I already found the problem. What I previously done, I actually took a own measurement of the ignition coil, and I actually hooked my test light up to the wires, and I tested for power coming in, and I also tested for power coming out of the coil, and that was good. So I took my own meter and measured the coil, and the coil didn't read correctly. Right, replacing the coil. Shit. Let me get you over here so you can kind of see what's going on here. I have two screws right here in this mount that's holding this coil on. 9/32 nut. Take that one out. Take that one out. Okay, I got one back here I need to take out. Let's see if I can get that one out for you. Take that one out. Okay. Let us go. Do I have another one in here? No. And I push the bolt out. I need a nose pliers to pull this bolt out. Okay, got that one out. Got one more back here. Let me get something and get that out. I'll be back. Also, I took the rotor button and cap off and checked inside that. Found that the cap was waddled out, so I'm gonna replace the cap and I'm gonna replace the rotor button. And also I took a ohm reading of the pickup coil and that checked good. So I'm gonna replace this coil and then I'll cut you back on. Let's see if I can tap this bolt out of here. Alright. See if I can pull it out. Okay. Yeah, is that good enough light? I have too much light for you. I have too much light. Let's see here. Put it down here. Hold on. Let's see if I can get this other bolt out of here. Alright, got that out of there. Just slide the coil up out. Okay. I got my new coil here. Let's go ahead and slide that back in. Take one of my bolts here. Got one bolt in. Get the other one. Did it go through there? Okay, can we get one on here? Alright, I got one on. Alright, let me see if I can get the other one on here. I got that one on. Alright, got that one on. Put this double nut on here, and that should do it. Put the other nut on. Okay, got that on. Take my wire. Plug my wire back in. Okay, one more coil. Take my coil wire. Plug it back in. Alright. I'm Moment of truth. Voila! Run! Alright. Thanks for watching. Subscribe below, like, comment, take them all. Later. While I'm in here, he also wanted me to replace the cap and rotor button. So I'm going to go ahead and do that as well. Okay, take these screws out. There's one back here. Okay. Here. Okay, got that. Got that one. Okay. See if I can move this out the way. Get these wires up out my way. There we go. You stay up there where you belong. Stay up there where you belong. Okay, if I can get it to stay up there. Get my hammer here. Put that right there. There we go. We ain't going nowhere. Let me take this rotor button back out. There's a screw here. Got that out. Right back. I'm also going to replace, this is how you replace the pickup. In here. One screw. Two screw. If you turn the distributor just right, you can lift it up right out of the slot. Okay. Put it right back down in there. Put it right in the slots. Come with new screws. Screw. Alright, got a brand new rotor button. Put it on here. Come on now, what did you doing here? Get it on here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. I got one screw. One screw, one screw, one screw. Okay. Obviously, that's not the right screw. Get the right screw. There it is. Okay, that's the right screw. Get me all those screws. Put it in here. Okay, that's the right screw. Alright, got that on. Put my wire back up for the pickup. They got that. Also, we're getting a new cap. Getting a new cap, getting a new cap, getting a new cap. Okay, take this, put it under here. Get a new cap, let's see. There we go. And leave it to me. Good thing they gave me extra. Okay. 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 All right, let me hook my wires up. And we'll go from there. One, two, seven. Take this off. Okay. Okay, let me go ahead and put this down in here. Okay. That one. That one. That one. That one. And the almighty coil. And that way. Put those on, get them on that good and tight. Let's see. Shoot. One, two, three, four. Okay. Get those in here. Get that in there. All right. Job well done. Put that on there. All right, we all set. Thanks.